Some people say that NMOS can be used as both upper and lower tubes in circuit applications. Which one is better? What is the difference between the two? It is known that the current directions of NMOS and PMOS are opposite, and VGS have a certain voltage difference. However, the G potential of NMOS is higher than the S potential, while the S potential of PMOS is higher than the G potential. Here, taking the conduction voltage difference of 5 volts as an example, when using NMOS as the lower tube, the S pole is directly grounded, and it only needs to fix the G pole voltage to 5 volts to turn on. If NMOS is used as the upper tube, the D pole is connected to the positive power supply, and the S pole voltage is not fixed. It is impossible to determine the G pole voltage that controls the NMOS conduction, because the S pole voltage to the ground has two states: the low level when the NMOS tube is cut off, and close to the high level VCC when it is turned on. However, when NMOS is used as the upper tube, the control circuit will be more complicated. In this case, isolated power supply control must be used. It will be much simpler to use PMOS instead. When using PMOS as the upper tube, the S pole is directly connected to the power supply VCC. The S pole voltage is fixed, and the G pole voltage only needs to be 5 volts, lower than the S pole to conduct. Similarly, if PMOS is used as the lower tube, the D pole is grounded, the S pole voltage is not fixed, and the voltage of the control pole G pole cannot be determined, which is more troublesome to use and requires an isolated voltage design. Therefore, PMOS is usually used as the upper tube and NMOS as the lower tube in the circuit. If you have any questions about MOSFET product technical solutions, you can leave a message in the comment area. I will give you the answer here. VBsemi-MOSFET manufacturer, focusing on MOSFET R&D and manufacturing for 20 years.